Hi everyone. Here are some facts about the Apple Vision Pro. It is a mixed reality headset developed by Apple Inc. It was announced on June 5, 2023, at Apple's 2023 Worldwide Developers Conference, WWDC. It is set to be available for purchase in early 2024 in the United States. It is Apple's first major product since the Apple Watch, released in 2015. It is a standalone device that does not require a computer or phone to operate. It has two high-resolution displays, each with over 2 million pixels. It has a powerful processor, called the R1 chip, that is designed specifically for augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, applications. It is expected to be priced at $3,499. The Apple Vision Pro is a powerful new device that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. It is still too early to say how successful it will be, but it is clear that Apple has big plans for this product. Thanks for watching.